With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, the question here says which of the following is not correct according to Bohr's effect. So here we see that a graph has to be made, which is on the x-axis there will be partial pressure of the oxygen. So this is partial pressure of the oxygen, whereas on the y-axis there will be hemoglobins, that is the percentage saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen. So that is the formation of HbO2. So this graph is called as the oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve, while we see that the hemoglobin gets associated with oxygen to form the oxyhemoglobin, whereas if the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is more, the hemoglobin is going to bind to the carbon dioxide to form the carb amino hemoglobin. While we see that when the metabolism is more, so that means more metabolism which occurs at the tissue level, there is already internal production of the carbon dioxide, so there will be more PCO2, more products of metabolism, that is the end products of metabolism. There will be rise in the temperature here. There will be decrease in the partial pressure of oxygen because oxygen is being consumed here, right? And there will be increased H plus ion concentration which is produced as an end product of metabolism. So all these conditions are going to shift the curve towards the right side. So as the curve shifts towards the right side, so here this is a sigmoid curve initially, then it shifts towards the right side, and this shift towards the right side is called as the Bohr's effect, which is going to occur when in cases of high metabolism. So let's see the options here. The first one says low temperature favors the dissociation of oxygen from hemoglobin. Low temperature means metabolism is less, so that means the hemoglobin will rather associate with oxygen to form the oxyhemoglobin. So this statement here is a false statement, so it can be taken as a right answer for this question. The second one is rise in PCO2 of the blood decreases the oxygen affinity of hemoglobin. Whenever I said that the oxygen or partial pressure is more, HbCO2 will be formed, so that means hemoglobin will get HbO2 will get dissociated and it will follow a reverse reaction. So this is the right statement. The third statement says low PCO2 at the alveoli, because at the lung level the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is less, so it will favor the formation of oxyhemoglobin, whereas high H plus ion concentration in the blood causes dissociation of oxyhemoglobin because this is indicative of more metabolism. So high H plus ion concentration, more metabolism, that means more oxygen is required, so dissociation, that is the backward reaction, has to take place so that the hemoglobin can release the oxygen. So these three statements are correct. While to sum it up, I can say that hemoglobin will bind to oxygen when partial pressure of oxygen is more, and it is going to bind to the carbon dioxide, that is at the tissue level when the carbon dioxide partial pressure is more. So the only false statement here is statement number 1, which becomes the right answer for this question. So we can mark option number 1 as a right answer. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.